Hi, I'm Maddie Lambert, Associate Editor for Commercial Baking, and I am here at IDDBA with living legend Nancy Silverton, founder of Brea Bakery. Nancy, thank you so much for catching up with me today.
Well, you're welcome. And I love the word living legend as opposed to, I guess there's another kind of legend. So I'll take the living legend.
Well, I'm curious, what are you doing here at IDDBA? Because I heard you mention earlier this is your first time back in a while.
Yeah, I haven't been back for a while in the show, but I still work with Brea Bakery. And so it was a perfect opportunity to not only come to the show again, of course, but to do a demonstration and talk a little bit about the history of Brea Bakery at the show.
Speaking of the history, I wanted to ask you, can you speak to when you founded Brea and watched it grow into its adulthood? Now you're celebrating 35 years. Can you tell me a little bit about that evolution?
You know, when I look back and I think 35 years, wow, that was a long time ago. And then I think, wow, 35 years goes really quickly. But what I have to say about it is that throughout those 35 years, we, meaning Brea Bakery, has stayed true to what it was when we opened. So open, yes, a lot smaller. 3 bakers, 2 cups of starter into something that's much larger. But if you start with a strong foundation and strong principles, and as you grow, and it was slowly, it wasn't overnight, but as you grow and you maintain that foundation, whether it's the 3 people or it's the 3,000 people, it's still the same.
Well, you have done an excellent job, and your team has continued to live your legend on. So thank you so much. It's been amazing talking to you, and I wish you a great rest of the show.
Thank you very much.